Hey, Chuck here with Apple Drains. Just a quick note. Tomorrow morning, 9 a.m., Sunday morning, 9 a.m., May 31st, please join in our free group chat. You can click the description box below to join. You can see all the topics that we discuss and all the answers that we give. This is a great place for the DIY to get the answers that they need. You can ask me a question, show me a problem, and I'll answer that question within minutes. Join tomorrow morning. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.